What's going on, guys? It's your boy Christian here, back at you for Sneaker Talk with a brand new Nike outlet vlog. If you guys didn't see yesterday's vlog, check it out. We went to the Foot Locker outlet right behind me. Yes, Foot Locker outlet, and they had so much heat. So check out that video, I'll leave it linked down below. But today we're heading over to the Nike clearance store here at Dixie Outlet Mall, and they have only hash walls. So there's so many sneakers we gotta go hunting through. We're probably gonna find some really good steals, some really good deals, as my boy Tim would say. And in the past, we found some heat. Like the last time we were there, we found some Nike Air Force One mids for like $30 US. Before we get this Nike clearance store, Nike outlet vlog started, just wanna let you guys know we are doing a Yeezy giveaway for the month of March. So if you guys wanna enter this giveaway, just subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and of course hit that thumbs up button. With that said, if you guys haven't subscribed to my second channel, subscribe to it. You can get more entries over on there, SneakerTalk 365, for a lot more sneaker reviews. Alright, so it's been a while since I've been at the Nike clearance store, and you guys know the drill. It's only hash walls at this location. There's no shelves anywhere. They just have these walls full of sneakers, and we're gonna have to dig through all of this stuff. Holy cow. So let's get started. So we're gonna start off today in the size 10 section, and it's absolutely like crowded today. It's usually not this crowded at the Nike outlet, but it's really hard to walk around. So I'm just gonna have to show you guys a lot of shoe action. So let's find some shoes. Starting off with some pretty good finds. We got the Nike Air Force One mid Flyknits for $100, down from $200. These are pretty solid. These are pretty nice. They got the Air Jordan Future, the triple white colorway, and these are going for $80, down from the $200 price point it was originally at. Really solid shoe overall, and if you're a fan of the Jordan 11, they got that Jordan 11 Comfort. Now these are cool. You don't really see too many Nike Blazer lows, and this is a Blazer Studio Low All-Star Quick Strike. All Vachetta tan upper. We got the leather laces. These are going for $65, down from $165. Really premium materials on these, but I don't know how comfortable these are going to be. There isn't much padding or cushioning at all around the collar of the shoe. We got some navy blue suede with Nike on the back. So $65, down from $165. These might be the cheapest Nike clearance or Nike outlet sneakers I've ever seen. $20 for these Nike Air Sock Racers right here. They have a yellow colorway for $20 Canadian. That's about 15 US. And then they also have a like pink colorway here as well, $20. These might be the cheapest Nike outlet sneakers of all time. For all my soccer or football fans out there, we got some Air Footscape Magistas right here for $105 with this burgundy black colorway. Mess with these, and that dinosaur outsole is actually very, very comfortable. Give these a shot if you're looking for like a sock kind of shoe. So definitely a shoe worth checking out. That's actually really funny. The $20 shoe we found here at the Nike outlet, this like green custard colorway, they have on stock X for $94 versus $20 at the Nike outlet. And if you want a brand new colorway from Foot Locker, they're going for $125. So we're looking at like a shoe that's 80 to 85% off. That's insane. Now this right here is a solid Nike outlet find. We have this olive colorway of the Nike Airspan 2 for $50, down from $125. Really clean colorway of the Airspan 2. I have not seen this colorway in store at Foot Locker or Livestock or anywhere. So I like coming to the Nike outlets and finding these random shoes you don't find in regular retail stores. We also got some Nike Moon Racers. These shoes they're a little crazy for me. That swoosh is absolutely huge, and that midsole is thick. These are going for $80, down from $200 retail. We got some Nike EXP X14s for $65, down from $165. I really like this colorway. Definitely probably one of the better colorways I've seen on a running shoe here at the Nike outlets. I like the way that orange and yellow really pops. And then you have that hit of gray and black on the back for some contrast. Now this right here is a colorway of the Air Jordan Future Low I really mess with. That nice rich red, hit of gold on the Jumpman, and that black translucent sole is going for $95, down from $190. So it looks like we're having a hard time trying to find some heat and some retro Jordans today at the Nike outlet. Definitely dry in comparison to the San Marcos Nike outlet, but one thing they do come clutch with here are the football boots. So I'll show you guys some of the football boots that they have here. They have some Superfly 6 Pro CR7s for $85, down from $210. Straight steel. They also got a white colorway here for $100. The Mercurial 10 Proximo. Holy cow. Regularly $325. The Vapor 12 Elite FG now going for $129.99. Here's a look at them. pretty crazy. I like these a lot. That blue is really rich. Holy cow, these are beautiful. The Nike Superfly 6 Elite FG, $145 down from $350. Look at that outsole. What the heck? That's amazing. These are so ridiculously cool. I mess with these a lot. We got the Nike branding on the back. We got the swoosh on the side. These are really nice. Even the laces. The laces have like this bedazzle orange shininess to them. Really dope cleat. Holy cow, these are fire. And you guys remember those cheap $20 sneakers I showed you guys from before? Well, they have an entire section dedicated to all of them in just a bunch of different sizes. Holy cow, all of these shoes are $20 each. That's insane. So when it comes to spring, you guys know you need to have a solid pair of triple white sneakers, and the Nike LA here actually has a sneaker I was not expecting to find, because this stuff usually flies off the shelves very fast. Check it out. They have the classic Nike Cortez all leather triple white colorway for $45 down from $105. Now when they're at the outlet, you'll typically expect some sort of like stain or something, and the only thing I can find is a little bit of dirt here on the bottom of the outsole. You guys can see it right there, but you can clean that up really easy. So for $45 at the Nike outlet, all white leather Cortez, it's hard to pass on, you know, that's pretty hard. Yo, check out these pants, like a full Sherpa Nike Tech Fleece looking pants. My friend Robert would love this. He went to Target in San Francisco and spent like $200 on Target clothing just to get clothing like this. So Robert, where are you, bro? Is there more of these, bro? Is there more? There's more? All right, so Justin's a subscriber. He hooked it up, so we're gonna go and find those for my friend Robert. Thank you guys for watching. It's crazy though, guys. Today at Dixie Outlet Mall, I've bumped into at least 15 subscribers now in total. It's been a really good day for like local love. So I will have a meetup very soon at the end of April before I do my Asia tour. So stay tuned for that. We'll probably have to do some Yeezy giveaways as well at a local store. And I know Plus just opened up at Yorkdale, so we might do something with them. We'll find out soon. Getting to the smaller sizes, now we're here in the size 9 section with the Air Zoom Talaria 16s. These are going for $95 down from $235. It's like a black and khaki colorway. Solid shoe. Not really a fan of it, but it is still a solid shoe nonetheless. We also got some Nike SB Blazer Lows right here. The GT Cat's Paw, whatever that means. But check out the back. The pack has this cool tiger patch, pretty dope, and this is a shoe you honestly would not see at stores like Foot Locker or Champs. This is like a Nike outlet exclusive kind of shoe. Now when they go to America for the Nike outlets, they always have a ton of these shoes on the walls, but this is the first one I've seen here in Toronto or Mississauga, wherever we are, at Dixie Outlet Mall. They have the Air Force 270s, the Nike Air Force 270, and I think the OG colorway, or what might be one of the OG colorways. That orange bubble really pops, but I think these are whack, man. I can't mess with these at all. Now unfortunately there isn't too many different things in the size 9 section in comparison to the size 10 and 10.5 section, but now we're at the size 13 section where they have a lot of different stuff in size 13. And after this we're going to check out the women's shoes that also fit men's sizing, and of course the really small women's sizes as well, because they usually have some heat. So taking a look at the size 13 section, we have some Jordan Fly 89s, of course inspired by the white cements. This is the gray colorway here, going for $60 down from $145. These are also sitting at pretty much every Nike outlet. The Air Max TNs, but with the giant logo on the side, hiding any swoosh besides the small red one right there. These are going for $95 down from $235. I feel bad for you if you paid retail for these, because like they're sitting literally at every single outlet manageable. I'm really surprised these are still sitting here. These have been here for 4 months now. The Nike Air Jordan 1 low with that really nasty blue suede upper. That's why it's still here with the Vachetta tan accents. $75 down from $190. I think they're gonna have to bring it down to $40 if they're gonna really want to sell them. And these are dope. They have like this green camouflage colorway for the Nike Zoom Fly SPs. Really mess with these, and these are going for $80 down from $200. So solid running shoe and a really solid colorway. So for the final section of the Nike outlet or Nike clearance store, we have the women's section, and we're going to start off with the largest sizes possible, because if you're a size 10 in women's, you're a size 8.5 in men's. So let's check it out, and if they have any 11.5, then I can probably fit it because I'm a size 10. And sometimes the Nike outlets will have sales where it's only 20% off women's sneakers. They won't have the extra discount on men's shoes. So definitely check out the women's section, guys. There's going to be low-key heat, like this. They got some Nike Blazer lows in this white and red colorway, $40. These are clean. These are really clean. This is a size 11 woman, so it's gonna be a 9.5 men's. And if this was my size, I'd probably buy it, but it's 9.5. It's gonna be a bit too small for me. We got some size 11.5 women's or 10 men's Nike Cortez in this peach colorway with a weird mesh upper, and these are going for $30. And sometimes, guys, sometimes the sneakers in the women's sections will be cheaper than the men's equivalent. So check out the women's section. You might be able to find the same shoe, but for a cheaper price because it's in a women's section. Continuing to dig through the women's section, we got some Nike Air Max 270s right here. Really like this colorway. We got some hot punch on the midsole. We got this neon yellow, neon green on the outsole there with a big air unit. Retail price $230, now going for $140 Canadian. Now I know Natty loves Nike Cortez, so we got to show her some Cortez here as well. They got this like nylon mint green pair. These are going for $49. These are a B grade. So what's wrong with it? I don't know yet. I don't know. But size 10, mint green for $45. We also got some Nike Cortez SEs. It has like a premium kind of vibe, some really nice suede, and some golden metallic swooshes on the side. These are going for $50, down from $120. Solid savings on these. Not sure what I would wear these with, but I don't really have anything in my wardrobe that would go with this, to be honest. Believe it or not, my mom actually buys her Jordans from the Nike outlet, so I think she has a pair of Jordan Futures that she's wearing today. I think she has a gray colorway, but they do have some smaller sizes. This is a 6.5 youth for $55, down from $140. Really nice black and white colorway. Just can't go wrong with this colorway. It's so simple. And sales tax on kids shoes in Ontario, I think is 5%. Compared to the 13% for all other shoes and other products in the province. And finally, we have some Nike Huaraches for $45 in this camouflage colorway. So that's today's Nike outlet vlog. If you guys want to win a free pair of Yeezys, then comment down below your favorite sneaker that you guys saw today, or the cheapest sneaker you've ever seen at a Nike outlet. Subscribe with that red button down below as well. And if you guys want an extra entry, make sure you guys comment on any video I upload this month and hit that thumbs up button. I have a second channel as well, SneakerTalk 365. So subscribe to there if you guys haven't yet already for more sneaker reviews, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace out.